Hello everybody, welcome to your last maths lesson for the term. So I hope that you're going to have a great holiday after this one. Well done for all the work you've done so far, all the tasks you've completed so far. You've done a great job, and here's just one little final puzzle for you to do. So there's also a mental maths test for you to do before this one. We're not going to go through that because we know how to do mental maths tests. We've done them a few times and you've done them for homework quite often as well. So I'm going to go straight for this one. This is a multiplication question with a standard written method, and it's a bit of a puzzle. You've got to work out what the missing numbers are. So 40 something multiplied by something 5 gives this answer 630, and you've also got these missing numbers here. So to get this kind of answer, you've got to think about, okay, where did those numbers come from? Where did those numbers come from? And that's got to plus together to make 3. So this plus this has got to equal 3. So none of the numbers can be bigger than 3. So you can't have a number bigger than 3, because if it's bigger than 3, this plus this would be at least 4, and it's not, it's 3. So maybe you could try some different versions, or maybe you can come up with a different system. If you come up with something interesting, make a note of it, and you can feed it back to the group next time we have a group class. So good luck. I hope you get stuck for a while working that out. That's the idea, and hope you have some fun doing it. And you can click on the answer at the end. Please don't ruin it by clicking on the answer. You have to try at least sort of 10 or 15 minutes before you click on the answer, or it's just going to ruin it. So try your best. Hopefully that will be okay, and you can always click on the answer if you've tried for a while and it hasn't quite worked. But good luck, I'm sure you'll be able to find an answer.